food combines centuries-old Eastern traditions with more recent Western influences. Yet this cuisine is truly recognized around the world as being quintessentially Thai. Thais use an abundance of aromatic herbs and spices to add intense flavors and taste to their meals. Garlic, lemongrass, turmeric and kaffir lime leaves are the main ingredients in curry paste, but they're also commonly used in stir-fries, salads and tom yum. Galangal, which is similar and often used instead of ginger, is extensively used across Thailand in curry paste and tom yum. Thais often add young ginger to their soup or to brew a refreshing tea. As ginger and galangal roots age, their flavour intensifies, but their flesh becomes more fibrous. Krachai, commonly known as finger root or Chinese ginger, is often included in curry pastes or finely sliced and added to stir-fries. In the West, fresh krachai can be hard to find, and it is often only available pickled or frozen. Thai basil, which is stronger in taste than the Italian variety, can be identified by its darker leaves and purple flowers and stems. Considered to have a subtle licorice or mint flavour, this sweet basil is used in many Thai dishes. Another fragrant herb with many uses is coriander. The leaves can be used as an ingredient and garnish, while the stalks are often ground into curry pastes and sauces. Thai cuisine is well known for being spicy. Chili is of course widely used throughout the region and was introduced by Portuguese missionaries only in the 17th century. Like any cuisine, there is a wide and varied range of condiments and sauces that can greatly influence the taste of any dish. One of the most important ingredients in Thai culinary culture is fish sauce, a salty and intensely flavoured sauce derived from fermented fish, salt and water. Other condiments include soy sauce, lime paste, shrimp paste, vinegar, peanuts and various dried and pickled produce. Dried shrimp and shrimp paste, pickled fish and chilies, even pickled peppercorns may seem unusual and exotic to Western tastes, but are commonly found in popular Thai dishes. Rice is the staple grain of Thailand, and the fragrant and indigenous jasmine rice grows in abundance throughout the Central Plains. Black sticky rice, or wild rice, is also a popular dessert rice. In Thailand, noodles are often eaten as a snack for lunch or used in soups. They are usually made from either rice, wheat or mung bean flour and are available either as fresh or dried. The most common are the rice noodles, which come in three varieties: wide and flat, thin and flat, and round and thin, which are known as vermicelli in the West. Situated within the tropics, this fertile country produces an abundance of aromatic herbs and spices, as well as many varieties of delicious fruit and vegetables. It is, therefore, not surprising that Thais have developed a cuisine that rivals any in terms of variety and diversity.